Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This week we are going to be doing a little hike. We're still here in Oregon. We're doing the Summit Mountain Trail, or the Saddle Mountain Summit Trail. Got 1,630 feet elevation. It's a 2-mile trail. It's supposed to be pretty challenging, but I don't know. We'll see. And just thought I'd bring you guys along on the little hike with me. Sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy hiking and camping videos. Buy some shirts. What's going on, guys? We're still hiking this little mountain. Look what I came across. We have some ghost pipe here. Look how cool that is. This is my first time ever finding ghost pipe. Got a little bit right here. Oh, such a cool little flower plant. I don't know if this is a flower plant. It's something. I think it's a flower plant thing. But yeah, how cool is that? Ghost pipe. First time finding it. So with that ghost pipe, you can actually, apparently, I'm no doctor, nothing, or medicine person, but you can take it, turn it into a tincture, help with like anxiety, possibly pain relief. Yeah, so it is kind of like a medicine plant, which is pretty cool. I can't actually harvest anything in this forest. There's a big sign that says don't pick the flowers, so I'm gonna leave it, but just thought it'd be cool to kind of document my first ghost pipe and share it with you guys. Wow, what a beautiful view. It's the best mountain view I've had in Oregon so far. Wow, guys. The view just keeps opening up and getting a little bit better and better. We've done this a little bit already now, but look at this. Have you guys seen a trail with wires on it before? It's first for me. I will say it does make hiking a little bit easier. Look, this whole little hillside is fence on the ground. We're getting real close to the top now, guys. Look at that, but look at this view. Oh my God. I'm honestly kind of surprised with how beautiful the Oregon mountains are. Wasn't expecting them to really look this good. And I didn't really expect them to be this like plentiful. But man, they are beautiful out here. Alright, let's keep on hiking. We got a little bit of ways to go. Guys, we're almost to the summit. Well, we've pretty much made it to the top. It is beautiful up here. Robert's gonna walk to the end. I'm gonna follow him soon, but just wanted to point out to you guys, look at this. Way back there in the horizon, you can see the ocean. I don't know if the camera's doing justice at picking it up, but wow, that's cool. Never been mountain hiking with an ocean view. I guess maybe last week's video, but yeah, this is so cool. Just look at this mountain view. Alright, I'm gonna go catch up with Robert. Well, made it to the top, guys. Look at this view. That's where we were a second ago. Over there. Yeah. Well, here's the top of it, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, guys, that was Saddle Mountain. Absolutely stunning up here. We're gonna head back to the car and get back to camp.